Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we've got this new casting by Hot Wheels. It's a McLaren W1 and as you can see it's new for 2025. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the W1 out of its box. The very first thing you will notice is this orange paint. It looks good, looks nice. And if you look closely, you can figure out this whole top part is plastic and the lower part is metal as it normally is. Now let's move to the front. Up front, it does look good. They have tried to capture all the design cuts and curves of the casting, but doesn't have any details on the headlamp. It does get a McLaren badge. I do like the look of it. It looks, really sporty. There's a big gap here. Single wiper, you can see that. Misses it on the mirrors, so no mirror. That's some of the details I can see. Can't see anything else up front. Let's move to the driver's side. Wheels, we have seen these wheels on so many different Hot Wheels throughout the years. I think even the P1 had those wheels. And yeah, you can see some good aero stuff going on. How it's finished, and lower part is in black with all the aero elements. And you can see the doors here. Even if you notice from the side, you can notice this big wing here. It's a huge wing. Coming to the back, again, you can see exhaust, diffuser and all that stuff, but no tail lamps here either. There is details on the grille, like they have tried to show the grille here, the vents, but again misses out on any kind of detail, which I would have loved to see. If you look at the back here, you can see the engine, you can see the McLaren badge. So those details are there, but again, there's not that much, in terms of headlamps and tail lamps, or either mirrors either. Well, I assume they didn't do the mirrors because mirrors are somewhere here on the actual car, so it would have been hard for them. It's not like close to the body, but detailed headlamp, tail lamp. These days, Hot Wheels do that to some of the newer cars with detailed headlamp and tail lamp, and they look really good. I don't know why they didn't do this one. But yeah, this is how it looks from the passenger side. That's how it looks from the bottom. You can see 2025 metal. Overall, with the shape of it, with the paint job, I think it looks good, but I would have loved if there were any detail to the headlamp and tail lamp. It's not that much, even like a small paint here would have made it look so much better. So I'm not disappointed with this casting, but would I expect more, especially looking at some recent casting. But even with all that, this is a good looking casting. Well, that's what I think. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.